Hi, you're watching Food Whims and Whimsy, and I'm Carmen DiPasquale, and today I'm going to show you how to make linguine and clam sauce. Before we begin, let's go over the ingredients. We'll be making a white clam sauce, so today we'll be using about 3 dozen little neck clams, and they're sitting in cold salted water. And then we're going to be making a nice sauce with white wine. This is a Chardonnay, some clam juice, the lemon juice, and the zest as well, some garlic, butter and olive oil to saute it in, some shallots, parsley, red pepper flakes, salt, and a pound of linguine. Start by putting a pot of boiling water on, and I'm going to salt it. So I'll be using about 2 tablespoons of salt. Because you want a really seasoned pasta water. And we'll let that go for a while. What you're going to do is you're going to choose a pot with a lid on it because it's important for the clams to be covered. And I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil in here. I also like to add about a tablespoon of butter just for the flavor. Let that go a little bit. Once that gets up to temperature, I'll start cooking the shallots and the garlic. So now you want to add the shallots in. Get that going a little bit. Let that cook for about a minute. That's been cooking for about a minute. I'm going to go ahead and add the garlic. This is about 3 cloves of garlic. Again, let that go for a minute or so, just to get that tender and the fragrance of the garlic out. At this point, I also like to add the red pepper flakes. A nice good pinch. That should be good. So I'm going to go ahead and add about half a cup of white wine. I know for me that's, when I count to 10, it's about half a cup. And I'm also going to add the whole bottle of clam juice, just like that. I'm going to let that simmer for a few minutes. Just going to add about half a lemon, the juice. And now I'm going to go ahead and throw in all the clams. Give it a little toss. And then just cover it and let that cook for about 10 minutes. So we're going to just go ahead and take them off. And I like to put them in another bowl so that I can serve them really nice. And also so they don't overcook. If there's any that didn't open, you should discard those. So I'm going to go ahead and shut off the heat and finish off the sauce. I like to add a little parsley, a couple of tablespoons of butter, another little pinch of red pepper, and just a squirt of lemon if it needs it. There we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the cooked pasta that I just took off. And you want to like undercook it by a minute or so. Give it a good mix. And this is ready to go. So I like to just put the clams right back in the sauce with the linguine, and I just like to stir it in there. And then it's time to serve, so I'm going to go ahead and just serve it. Just choose a nice big platter. Just like that. I hope you enjoyed this linguine and clams recipe. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You're watching Food Whims and Whimsy, and I'm Carmen DiPasquale.